Biogeochemical cycle are the chemical interaction in which an element or compound, such as water, moves between its various living and non-living forms and locations in the biosphere. Biogeochemical cycle is important as they store elements and recycle them. As mentioned before, the biogeochemical cycle only recycles the elements. It does not increase or lessen the elements. Unfortunately, human activities has given a major negative impact on these cycles, such as the increase of atmospheric CO2, which can affect the Earth's climate and ocean. As we know, global warming has been a major concern for years. NASA has proven that Earth's climate had begun to change, from rising sea levels to declining of the Arctic sea ice. With the rise of global warming, the temperature of the ocean will also increase due to the excess heat from greenhouse gas emissions. This can affect the marine ecosystems as the rising temperature can cause coral bleaching, resulting in the loss of breeding grounds for marine fishes and mammals. The impact of COVID-19 has led to a positive effect. This is because activities such as burning of fossil fuels and deforestation has been led to a halt, as people are being advised to stay at home. Carbon gas that comes from transportation has also been decreasing as majority of the people are advised to work from home, meaning that they will not have to go to their workplace. This results in less carbon gas to be released in the atmosphere. Another impact of COVID-19 to the biogeochemical cycle is the reduction of production and use of fertilizers. To produce fertilizers, industry used vast amount of nitrogen that would then be used in farmlands, only to be washed off into waterways and the ocean. This will cause algae blooms, eutrophication, and ocean dead zones, which in turn will take up dissolved oxygen, reducing the biodiversity and ocean ecosystem. With the rise of COVID-19 cases, scientists from all over the world are trying their best to find a cure. Due to this, many experiments with chemicals have been conducted. A research conducted by Sarawat Sangham had stated that in April 2020, the highest rate of medical waste was estimated at around 14,500 tons during the COVID-19 pandemic. This estimation will increase since then due to the increasing infection rate. Toxins from medical waste that were dumped into the ocean will result in the aquatic organism ingesting the harmful waste, which will then affect the ocean's food chain. Not only that, Hong Kong-based marine conservation organization Oceans Asia had released a report that estimated over 1.56 billion face masks had flooded the ocean in 2020. These face masks take as long as 450 years to decompose and will slowly turn into microplastic. The microplastic will then give a negative impact on the marine ecosystem, as aquatic life such as fish will consume them. To summarize, the COVID-19 pandemic has both its pros and cons on the impact of the environment. However, we, as the inhabitants of Earth, must try our best to conserve our planet from any harm.